Hi and welcome. Now, in this video, I'm doing an actual trade that I'm going to be doing a meme coin trade for some profits based on a strategy that I've set up. It's a 3-step strategy kind of thing. It's easy and anybody can do, but it's eliminating all the noise and getting into the meme coin that you can profit from in the next 5 minutes. Now, what I'm doing here, it's a filtered out section of Neo Bullex, which is the platform where I'm going to be finding the coin, and then I'm going to be trading it using another bot, a Telegram bot that you'll see in a second. Now, all this is behind the scenes. You don't know exactly what I've done here to actually get these filters, and I don't think you know exactly what I'm doing in terms of choosing the coin that I'm going to go in. So there's a few things that I'm going to be doing and taking action, but all this is explained inside my Memecoins Cracked course that's launching on the 24th of January. But this is a good enough training that you can go out and test it yourself and see if it works out. But I'm not going to be explaining the exact reasons behind what I'm using. I'm just going to be taking the trade so you can see the trade happen and see the profits that I make while I'm doing that trade. So let's get into it. Now, I'm going to be taking a trade using a Telegram bot. So I'm going to go into my Telegram and I'm going to click on the bot that I'm taking action. And I'm going to come here and click on start. And I'm going to go ahead and click on buy. Okay, so I'm going to have this buy and it wants me to provide it an address to trade. So I'm going to put this on the side. And then now my job is to go out and find a coin to trade in the next 5 minutes so I can make some profit, maybe even less. Okay, so I'm just going to go to these ones for the beginning. I'm going to drag it out. I see a couple of things that I like from what I'm seeing. I'm also going to use a specific tool to see something else in general to see if I should go in the coin or not. Okay, and I'm at this point I'm deciding I'm not going to take this trade. Yeah, there's a reason why. I looked at a couple of things and decided that's not for me. I'm going to do the same thing here, and again I'm going to take my tool, I'm going to drag and drop. Okay, and then I'm seeing again things that I don't want to see. I'm not going to go into this one either. Okay, so here's a chart that I want to take a trade with. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the address of this trade of this coin. Go to my Telegram bot. Okay, and I'm going to click on start. I'm going to buy. I'm going to put my contract, and I'm going to put my Solana 0.05, and I'm going to click on I'm not confirming yet. I'm waiting for it to drop a little bit like it is right now. And I'm going to buy in just a second. I'm waiting for it to follow a rule that I have, which is taught inside Memecoins Cracked, so I don't lose money or get scammed or rug pulled or anything like that. The methods that I'm teaching are based on my own results from my own methods that I've learned over the several months now of almost doing this daily. I've kind of like became an expert in understanding how the charts work in meme coins because they're different than day trading 100%, a whole different story. And I'm gonna purchase. You're gonna see a little smiley face now. Okay, you're gonna see it pop up here. There it is. Okay, so you've got the smiley face right there. And I'm going to get ready right now with my bot right here to sell when it's ready to sell. Okay, so I'm going to click on sell and I'm going to choose, there it is, sell 100. And then I'm going to wait for it and I want to sell it. All right, so we are climbing. We waited, it dropped a little bit. We came up to here. It's going to drop a little bit more, but I think it's going to go up even further. So I'm just waiting for it a little bit again to move up, but we're okay. I could have taken the profits here, but because we're close to the curve, I'm waiting for it to move a little bit further up, like maybe up to the 80K line, I would say. And then I'm probably going to sell. So I'm just preparing this right now so I can sell. Okay. So sell 100 and we're ready. And we're just waiting for it to get to the point where I want it to get. And then at the end, we'll see how much profit I made on this small trade that I took. So right now we're at 0.50 cents profit, and we're just waiting for this to grow. I've put a red line over at the 80K spot. That's where I find that it's going to be around the area where I would like to sell. So we're just waiting for it to get to that. And here we go. It's moving up. My bot on the side. So I can click on yes when I want to just sell. And here it goes. Here it goes. And I'm going to click on sell. Look at this. Boom. Right there. And now it's going to switch around. Okay. So how much did we make on that little thing? You see how it's dropping? See how fast things change? And I caught it right where I thought it would get to, and then it could go up again. But for now, let's check out what we made on this trade right here that you just saw with me. Trade history, $4, okay, $5 on a $12 trade, okay? And basically, I'm riding the waves for profits. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo, and I'll talk to you in the next video inside Memecoins Cracked on the 24th of January.